We have a leaderboard here. We want to know who has the highest score. Actually, we can sort of read this, right? We can see 2,300, 2,400, right? But we want to highlight it. We want to see it right away. We're going to highlight the B column. Go up to Format, Conditional Formatting. And over here on the Format rules, we're going to say custom formula is equal to max B:B. We can say B1 equals, and here, this B1 is going to look at every single cell and say, is it equal to the maximum number? Right now we see Bob here has the maximum number. Let's turn that to purple so we can see it really clearly. But is that all we can do? What if we can highlight the entire row? Let's do A:B, and now lots are highlighted. It's because we need to put a $sign in front of the B and a $sign in front of each of the other B's. Now, the entire row is highlighted. We can clearly see that Bob has the highest score. And now if something changes, maybe someone gets a different score, immediately it highlights the highest score. And click Done. And there you go. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.